Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and opening the right settings. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which features apply. Once done, remove the case and clear dirt from speaker and mic ports because physical blockage cuts volume. Then make sure battery is above 20% or plugged in to prevent audio throttling. Now go to Settings and prepare to change sound and call settings. You'll take a few targeted steps that immediately increase call loudness. Now you focus on the detailed adjustments that actually raise perceived volume. In setting sounds and haptics, slide ringer and alerts up. This also affects call loudness. Then enable phone noise cancellation so background noise is reduced, making voices clearer. During a call, press the side volume buttons to maximize the in-call speaker level. Press twice for faster change. Next, open Accessibility Audio/Visual to tweak headphone safety limits or enable mono audio when one ear hears more clearly. These changes finish by testing and verifying the improvements. Place a real call and use voicemail playback to compare speaker and headset output because that identifies hardware versus software issues. If volume still seems low, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches, and if needed, reset network settings to refresh call services. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a last resort, contact Apple support for hardware inspection, or pair an external Bluetooth speaker or certified headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.